Dun, 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 dun. On Puenta. Okay, I'm gonna open whoever this is. Uh-oh. Wait. Okay. Here's her clothes. And let's figure out where this is. Oh, this is wings. Wow. I think she's a fairy first. I kind of think she's a fairy.
Yeah.
But let's open this and then we'll open her.
I hope she looks really cute.
Oh, I think she's a fairy, but hot fire.
Oh, I can't wait to see her.
Oh, wow. She's blowing gum. Right? You can even pull it out and it looks like this. And then just put it in her mouth and it looks like she's blowing gum. But look at her hair. Okay, now I'm gonna put clothes on her.
Thank you, mine.
Okay, our newest member of the family, dun, 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 on Puenta. Okay, and this is her pretty dress, and her gum, and her cute little shoes. It goes all the way up to her skirt, and then she has like clear hair, and then I like her sparkly eyes. And she has a cute little bottle, and see the glitter behind her? It really stands out.